Hi, welcome to the next episode of Random and Ruhi. So, I randomly thought that I would give you an update of how my piercings are healing. They're healing well now. Were there complications? Unfortunately, yes. Was it my fault? No. Was it the piercer's fault? No. You see, there are certain complications that we cannot control at all. So coming back to what happened in my case, as you already know, I have a helix and a vertical helix done. This was done around 5-6 days before Ganesha Habba. One day post the piercings, I saw that my helix was healing well, but I observed a patch of purplish black, purplish red skin right below my bugadi or the vertical helix. I assumed 2-3 days I need to give it so that it heals well. And on the day of Ganesha Habba or Ganesh Chaturthi, I saw that there was a slight swelling and there was pain as well. So yeah, I thought I would sleep it off. I said tata bye bye to Ganesh ji. This year is done. I shall see him next year. I wake up on Thursday and I see that Ganesh ji is back. I mean that my ear had swollen up so much that it looked like Ganesha's ear. And yeah, it was paining. I didn't know what to do. Did I take care of the aftercare properly? Of course, yes. I mean, I got scared that it would be insulting if I hadn't done a proper job being a scientist. But that was not the case. I knew that the helix was healing pretty well. It was just the bugadi. And once I just looked into the mirror and I thought it might be the jewelry. Possibly it was too small for me or too tight for me. That might have been the reason. And I spoke to my piercer as well, and he guessed the same. I went to him, and it was the case. The jewelry was too small, so there was no space, no air for the skin to breathe and heal, because of which it had gotten inflamed and swollen like anything, and it was painful as well. The funny part is, when my ear had swollen up so much, I went out and the neighbor's kid says, "Hi Ganesha." I didn't know if I had to cry in pain or if I had to laugh at it, but it was a very funny incident despite the pain, because I really look like Ganesha. Sharing with you few clips and few pictures of how it was. So after Ganesha festival, I decided to become Ganesha myself. Yeah, so I immediately got the jewelry replaced to the biggest size, and 3-4 days since I did that, it's healing really well. I shall take care of it well as well. Did I think there would be no complications? Of course, yes, but unfortunately this happened. So my sincere suggestion, if you're getting a bugadi done for the first time, try going for the bigger size jewelry, because your skin needs that space and air to heal. Yeah. I'm glad it was just the jewelry size issue and nothing else. Aftercare is very much needed. And yeah, I do not sleep on the side of my ears. That's something that you have to keep in mind, despite it being a habit to sleep on the sides. But yeah, it's healing well now. No pain, no inflammation. It's gone down almost completely. Yeah, so yes, I shall see you in the next episode of Random and Ruhi. Bye bye.